It's Ken Barrett, Laundromat How To. Working on a couple older drain troughs. I bought a used bunch of equipment out of a store and came with the drain troughs. Thing we found on a couple of these though is that they're cracked. See right across there, it's got a crack down here. Probably, you know, somebody standing on it wasn't supported right. Whatever, but it got enough junk in it that it didn't really leak that bad. But now we need to fix it. So what we're doing is just cleaning out all the junk around it, wipe this down, and then just using a wire brush to scrub and get that edge loosened up. And then we go to our fun stuff called methyl ethyl ketone. We used to joke around, called it methyl ethyl death. Horrible stuff. This stuff comes from Sherwin-Williams. There is some other versions you get at Home Depot, but it's not strong enough. It's not pure enough. So you need to get really good stuff. It's got all the info on the back. Basically, it's don't breathe it, don't touch it, don't eat it. And it's very flammable. So we keep it in a flammable cabinet. And you gotta be careful what you put it in because it melts plastic. So I use this handy dandy feeling dirty washing coin laundry coffee mug I had laying around and put it into there. This black on here is actually the one I did before, that the liquid will turn black as it melts the plastic and it just gets all over it. So this stuff on here, it's not coming off anymore. And this is a pretty good gap on here. You can see down in here, I can see daylight through that. So I'm hoping it'll melt it across there. And what we'll do is just keep brushing it slowly and it'll slowly melt this stuff down. And I do have a little plastic repair kit at home. It heats up like looks like a staple, and you push it into the plastic and then you cut the ends off. So I'm gonna see if this will do it to start with, but it is a pretty good gap on there, so we'll see what happens. If this doesn't work, then we just have to get some new drain troughs made. I forget the name of the place I'll probably get them from. If I need new bulkheads, I'm going to Paul Pettifer at Freedom Bulkheads. Look them up, making good stuff. But yeah, hopefully we can save this one and put it back in action. Laundromat How To. Talk to you soon.